Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the diff oil here on a E82 BMW 125. The process is still the same regardless of whether it's a 125 or a 128 depending on what market you're in, but this is the one with the 3 litre inline 6 N52 engine. The first step will obviously be to jack up the car. I've got it up here on some stands, which just makes it a lot easier. It's important to make sure that the car is level when you do this. You don't want to lift it up on one side or having the back wheels jacked up and the front wheels still on the ground. It's important to keep this level so that way the fluid all drains out evenly. My particular 125 is a 2009. It's done 220,000 Ks. The diff oil has never been changed. It's one of those easy insurance items that you can do. Just tick it off. It's really simple to do, and I'll show you how to do it. So for this job, you'll need a hex 14mm. You'll obviously need the diff oil, which is the correct oil that BMW recommends for a non-LSD, so 75W90. The good thing about the nylon package is that it has this tube, so that way you can stick it into the actual diff. Brake cleaner to obviously clean up for when you make a mess. Same with a rag. The syringe with a tube here, because you'll have to siphon it out or suck it out of the actual diff. And then obviously somewhere to put the old oil when you take it out. So this is obviously the diff here. It's an open diff, not an LSD. This drain plug here is where you'll have to siphon and pump the new oil in. So obviously it's not an ideal position, but it's what we've got to work with. Nothing came out as the car's perfectly level, but it's good to just have this tray here just in case somebody overfilled it from the previous time. I don't think this has ever been changed, so I guess we're the first ones doing it. Yep. So just pushing it in as far as you can go, and then slowly start pumping it out. So only go in about a few inches just to make sure it's at the low point of the actual diff. And it's easier if you have two people and one person can leave this in here while the other one siphons it out.
Should be about the same colour as an oil, like honey.
So once you hear the bubbles, that means you're pretty much at the low point. Just maybe wiggle it around just to make sure that it's at its lowest.
Like it's a little bit aerated.
You can see the old diff oil here. And now just going to put it into the pan. There's Daisy. Daisy, you come to see what we're doing? So put it back in for a second round just to get more out of it. There should be exactly a litre in here. While we're under here, you can have a look at my amazing oil leak. Some gasket leak. Woohoo.
Concerns?
So now that we have all of the diff oil out, it took probably about 10 minutes to get the whole litre out. It's time to now fill it up. So now that we've got it into the fill hole, just gently squeeze the bag for the new oil to flow in. Just making sure that you don't spill it. Slow and steady. This bag is 1 litre and the capacity of the diff oil is 1 litre as well. So in theory, the whole bag should go into the diff. Should just trickle out once this is full. Looks like we're almost there. So now just putting the plug back in now that it's full. So we've just poured the old oil into an empty oil bottle. This also has some of the old oil from the engine as well. And then you just safely dispose of it at your local auto parts store. So that was how you change the diff oil on a BMW E82, either a 125i or a 128i. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.